For decades now, foie gras has been synonymous with French fine dining, but the luxury delicacy is increasingly being produced, consumed and reinvented in China. From hot pot tables to fried rice and even desserts, foie gras has gone mainstream in the world's second largest economy. Here's a look at how a French delicacy is becoming one of China's fastest growing specialty food businesses and what it means for the simmering Europe-China trade tensions.
Foie gras, the fattened liver of force-fed ducks and geese long associated with French fine dining, is finding a new home in China. Once considered a luxury import, the delicacy is now being served in everything from hot pot and fried rice to desserts shaped like cherries and roses. The shift has helped transform foie gras into a mass-market product. In Chinese restaurants, a slice can cost between 30 and 70 yuan, or roughly $4 to $10, significantly cheaper than the $17 to $46 often charged in France. The growing popularity has fueled a rapid expansion in production, with local farmers and food companies betting that demand for foie gras will continue to rise both at home and abroad.
Raising geese is quite hard work. I think the Europeans probably don't really want to do it either, but if they don't raise them, they won't have anything to eat. If our products are of good quality and reasonably priced and can enter Europe, then they should be very happy about that.
China's foie gras industry is expanding at a remarkable pace. Industry estimates suggest the country produced as much as 14,000 tons last year, up roughly 30% from 2024 levels, and a sharp increase from just 2,000 tons a decade ago. Now that puts China within striking distance of France, the world's largest producer. France reported output of over 15,000 tons last year after a slight decline. Together, the two countries now account for more than 80% of global foie gras production. With production rising and costs remaining relatively low, these Chinese producers are increasingly looking beyond domestic markets. Some companies have already begun exporting, with shipments reaching destinations such as Dubai, while industry participants expect overseas sales to grow further. With Europe looking for a deterrent to curb China's export flood, foie gras is emerging as the latest front for Chinese producers. The economics favor their product over the original.
There will definitely be some impact on the local producers, but who's number one or not isn't important in my view. What's important is that consumers can enjoy high-quality, reasonably priced food. That's the key thing.
However, expansion is not without challenge. China's customs rules have complicated exports, and industry sources say some foie gras is being smuggled abroad through Hong Kong and Shenzhen to bypass restrictions. The industry's growth also comes amid ongoing animal welfare concerns. Foie gras production relies on force-feeding ducks and geese, a practice that has long been criticized by animal rights groups. Producers, however, argue that demand remains strong and see little risk of those concerns slowing the sector's expansion. Business Bureau Report, WION The World.